Sink drain pipe clogged with hair or debris? You're definitely not alone, and there are some simple ways to fix it without calling a plumber right away. Okay, so first off, grab a pair of rubber gloves because you don't want to get all grossed out. Then, try using a plunger on the sink to see if you can loosen up whatever's stuck down there. If that doesn't work, get a drain snake or even just a wire coat hanger bent into a hook shape to fish out the hair and gunk blocking the pipe. Pouring boiling water down the drain can help break up grease or soap scum that's trapping the debris. Also, a mixture of baking soda and vinegar works like a charm if you let it sit for about 15 minutes before rinsing with hot water. Avoid harsh chemical drain cleaners because they can damage your pipes over time. Try to keep hair out of the drain by using a screen or hair catcher next time. And remember, regular maintenance is key. Flushing the drain with hot water every week can prevent buildup. One of the biggest mistakes people make with clogged sink drains is ignoring early signs like slow draining or bad smells, which just makes the problem worse and harder to fix later on. Another common issue is using chemical drain cleaners too often. They might clear the clog temporarily, but can corrode pipes and cause leaks down the road. Lastly, people often forget to clean or replace their drain strainers, allowing hair and debris to pile up until it clogs the whole pipe. To fix these, stay on top of small clogs by clearing them right away, switch to natural cleaning methods like baking soda and vinegar, and use a hair catcher to stop stuff from going down in the first place. BigHomeProjects.com is a great tool for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who really know how to handle problems like clogged drains. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right without stress.